Go for it.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you are watching this.
Just for you, Turbo Cooper Sports there. You wanted her to do it. She did it. So today, we're going to try and get this lump into here. What's this?
Is it a subframe?
It is a subframe. Well done, well done. So, I think I've done a subframe fitting video before. So what I'm going to do is, this is going to involve a lot of swearing. Well, it's not because my daughter's here. It's going to involve a lot of swearing in my head and a lot of toing and froing. So I'll start the video. If it takes too long, then I won't. So let's put it in a position where they can see what we're up to, eh?
So Daddy just fitted the bolts and put this in place. And he's tightening,
Yeah, just one.
He's just tightening up one.
Let's try and get this one in position now.
And now we need to try and get the other one in position.
You grab that a second?
Yeah.
Pass it here. Right. That's both the tops in a rough position there now. Like I say, you can't see. Well, you can actually. Let's have a look. Move that now. So as you can see, I've got a jack there, and then I've got the piece of wood across to try and
Put it in position.
Put it in position. That's right. So what I'll do, I'll show you what I've got to do next. Right. Yeah, tell them.
So I'm going to put the washer and the bolt on.
Nuts.
Nut.
Yeah.
Let's see. Which way does it go?
It turns towards the car. Got some help?
No?
You doing it?
No.
Have a look.
The washer's a bit. There we go.
There we go. And then same with the second one.
Maybe I should have done the second one first.
Do you want to hold the washer on for you? Oh.
Oh.
Done it? Oh. You want to do it?
Alright. For now. There we go.
Well done.
Yep.
Right, so I know Paul P and others probably aren't a massive fan of these, but it's what I've got for now. And plus, this subframe isn't staying. I have other things going on, so for now it will certainly do. So we need to go do the other side, and we'll video that from as well, eh?
So put them on.
Hold on. Yeah, so we've now located them two as well.
And I'm just putting the washers and the bolts on. I think it goes same way.
Yeah. Put it on.
No.
Want some help?
Yes, please. The top one.
So,
I think it needs pushing through more.
it's okay. That's that one. Can you do the bottom one?
Yeah.
Washer on first.
How do you always do these?
Oh. Go on, that might be a difficult one, that, because it's not coming through much. Go on. Try it now.
I can't. Oh, this is a difficult one.
Have you got it?
Yep.
Well done.
Got it.
Right, you can come out. Right then, so we've tightened the back up, tightened the top up. So what should we do now?
We're gonna give the Mini a face.
Should we put the front end on?
Yeah.
Right, let's have a look.
Is it heavy?
A bit. Some clamps around there, Holly, on the other garage.
All these tools.
Yeah, so there's just some clamps there. Bring some around. I'll tell you if it's a clamp or not. Nope, socket. Nope. Extension. Yes. Excited.
Yeah. What about its reg?
Does it need a reg now, does it?
Yeah.
It needs a lot more than a reg, it needs the engine. So there we go. Yeah. It kind of has a front end. So,
A bit.
a bit
On one side.
on one side. Do you want to put it back on again?
Yeah.
There we go. Better. Fixed better now as well. So there we go.
Oh, shut up.
Do you like that? You happy with that? Right.
It needs a screen, it needs a reg, it needs an engine.
It needs a lot. Right, the camera's lopsided. Let me put it straight because it's annoying me. Sorry guys, the camera was lopsided. It was pissing me off. So no doubt it's pissing you off. Don't tell anyone I said that. Right, so as you can see, yeah, so I said earlier that this subframe's not staying. The reason this subframe's not staying is because you've probably heard me talk about it before. If you do know me, you know I've been wanting to do this for a while, and I've decided to pull the trigger now. I'm putting a Nissan Micra engine in. I'm not putting it. Did you not know that?
No.
I'm not putting an A series in. I have an A series here, which I went through, refreshed and everything like that. It's got new gaskets, everything. That is going to be for sale. If you are interested, it's only a 998. But if you're interested, let me know. I'm going to be selling some other parts that I don't need as well. Purely because I'm trying to save up for this Nissan Micra conversion. So I'll be getting a subframe, someone Allspeed or KGB or other people make the subframes. There's no point reinventing the wheel. Someone's already done the mathematics. The good thing is it will utilise all the mini stuff that I have put on this. So the plan was to upgrade eventually, but the plan has now changed and I'm going straight Micra. So yeah, so the subframe again, it is for sale as well, if someone's interested in that. No, this, what we just put in. This black thing here is for sale.
Why?
Because it won't fit the Nissan Micra. So that goes back out to you guys again. If you know of a Nissan Micra that's sat, I'm looking for a K11, which is sort of like I think 98, 97, 98 on to about 2003, 2002, something like that. I'm really after a 1.3, but they're quite rare. I will take a 1 litre, especially for mocking up purposes and things like that. I certainly will take a 1 litre. I want a full car. I'm not bothered about MOT. I am not bothered about rust. Two things that do not concern me at all. But I want the car. I do want a full car. So if your nan's got one that can't drive anymore, it's sat on a drive, there's one round the corner from you. I have a trailer, I have a RAV4 that can pull it, so let me know. I think that's going to be it for this episode really. Putting this Nissan Micra engine in.
What's that?
So yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. I hope that was entertaining. I know camera angles are all over the place, but she really wants to be involved at the moment, and I ain't going to stop that. I'm going to encourage it more and more. So you might be seeing a bit more of you. Yeah? Okay. So thanks for watching, guys. What have you got to say?
Please like and subscribe.
Well done.